Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on your Honor 50 Lite. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and start searching for an app right here. Now write Firefox space browser and click on the loop right here. Now install this app right here. After it's done, open the app, and from here you can start customizing your Firefox browser. So first thing, you're gonna choose the light or dark theme, or just select automatic. Pick your toolbar placement. For me it's gonna be bottom. You can select always on privacy, standard or strict. I'm gonna go with standard default. You can sync your other Firefox browsers from other devices. I'm not gonna. You can read the privacy policy right here, and after everything is set up, you can select start browsing, and your browser is ready to be used and everything should work properly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.